Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in Flybuys. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Flybuys app, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is a join Flybuys option just down below of this sign in button. So let's tap on the join Flybuys and you will be redirected to the official sign up page of the Flybuys. So just give me a second, and now you can see it is asking us for our phone number. So you simply need to give a phone number and tap on the create account. So once you verify yourself, you will be able to register it successfully. So basically this is how you can create your Flybuys account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.